Hello, my fellow sneakerheads. This is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the Season 2 premiere of Sneaker Jamz Rebound.
Yeah.
And on today's first episode, guys, I finally tracked her down. It took me a while, but I finally got her. She is the 2018-2019 Miss Bikini Illinois. She's an Autism Awareness Ambassador, like yours truly. And she's an awesome person to work with. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my guest of 2022, Brianne Pearson. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to be here. He's right. It took him a long time to track me down, but I'm here today and I'm ready. So what are we going to talk about?
Okay, so how did you get into modeling?
Well, I actually started modeling at a really young age. My mother liked her children to be in things, so I started modeling in commercial and print as a science book model. Mm-hmm. So like school textbooks. So school is like the girl you see, like a little girl holding a beaker or doing her homework or something like that in your school books. That was me. And then I started runway like a couple years later when I was older.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. When you enter your first ever Miss Bikini, was you nervous when you started?
I was extremely nervous. I had never done a pageant before Miss Bikini, and I was really down on myself. I really thought that I wasn't going to do as well as I did. I was really hard on myself is what I should say. I did Miss Bikini Chicago first, and that was my very first pageant, and when I won that, I was so shocked, and that pushed me forward to do Illinois. And then when I won Illinois, I was even more shocked, and that pushed me forward to go to Miami for USA. And then I won USA, so it was crazy. But that was actually those were my first pageants I had ever done. I just happened to win them. So,
wow.
Yeah, crazy, right?
Let me tell y'all this. I helped her promote,
sure did.
for you guys to vote for her to become the Miss Bikini US.
Yeah,
and she
sure
did it
every day. He did not miss a day. There were over 190 days of promotion.
Oh yes.
that he did. So yes, I'm very thankful to you, Benjamin. Too. That was really nice of you. A very good way to touch my heart.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. You worked with Corey Sally in the past. What was it like working with her?
She's amazing, actually. She's a very nice young lady. She's very focused and determined, very beautiful, and I would love to work with her again. She was nice. So I was looking right. Okay.
I mean, I'm kind of shocked that she stopped modeling.
Yeah.
Shout out to Corey, by the way.
Hey, Corey, sister.
And I'm really sad that she stopped modeling. And
she'll probably start again. When it's her time, when she's ready for herself. She's probably just taking time for herself, doing some work. Self-work.
You hear that, Corey? We're waiting for you to come back, 100%. Now, Autism Awareness.
Yes.
How did you get into it?
Well, let's start with, did you know that before I had my daughter, I had no idea what autism was?
Okay.
Did you know that? I had no idea. I had never known anyone with autism.
Wow.
Yeah, I had never seen anyone. I had no idea that it even existed. And then I had my own daughter, and she was diagnosed with autism before she was even 3 years old because of the way she was developing. So we had a lot of specialists come out to our house and let us know, give her a lot of tests, and then let us know that she was on the spectrum, very low on the spectrum, very high on the spectrum, should I say. And she doesn't speak, she's nonverbal. She's very active. And that's actually how I found out about autism, and that made me very passionate about it. So, of course, I wanted to become a part of Autism Awareness. And then during a show, I met this wonderful man. He told me that he had autism, and I was like, wow, what an inspiration that you are, Benjamin. So independent and so mature and loving and friendly, and you are actually an inspiration to so many people, including me. Yes, and you give me so much hope, and I love you so much. It's like, you have no idea.
I love you too. But hey, I got a chance to meet her daughter, and when I saw her breaking down in tears, me and her daughter, we connected. I even gave her a piggyback ride, and we had a
Yeah, she loves you. That's so crazy. Like the first time that Benji ever came to meet my daughter, she ran up to him and like jumped in his arms. And she does not deal with people that she doesn't know. So that was the first time you saw her and she did that. So that was really a special moment for me. You heard him say, I saw you tearing up. Yeah, I was crying like a baby. But yeah, that was a great moment for me actually.
Ah, shucks. Thank you. Well, hey, that's why autism awareness is very important to everybody out there, 100%.
Yeah, educate yourself. Education is the most important thing because what you're unaware to, you try to change. And instead of trying to change something, maybe you should educate yourself, change yourself.
True, very true. Of course, I've seen your videos. You've been, getting your on, and you've been wearing sneakers too.
Yeah, I love sneakers. Yeah.
How did you get into it?
Actually, I used to wear more sneakers when I was in high school. I was like a sneaker head. I would get, yes, I would buy them like 3 and 4 at a time every weekend. Like I had older brothers and cousins and stuff too. So they would buy me shoes, and I would buy me shoes, and we would all just buy me shoes. I had like all the Jordans. My favorite pair of Jordans, though, I have to say, are the 13s. Like
Air Jordan 13s.
Yes, those are my favorite. I had red and white pairs, black and white, blue and gray. Like I even had green and white pair at one time.
No
They were
kidding.
they were exclusive and so.
The white and green.
Yes,
Celtic.
13s. Yes. Don't play with him on Sneaker Jams. Do not play with him. He knows his stuff. Okay.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And the Valentine's Day ones, like I just had so many Jordans, but yeah. Back in the day, you would always catch me. You would always catch me in sneakers, even if I had on a skirt.
Right.
Sneakers.
True. Very true. Now, I usually ask this question to my guests. Would you prefer casual sneakers over dress shoes?
I would say probably back then I would, but now I'm like a heels girl. I'm very girly now. But I do still love a good sneaker. Like I have a gang of sneakers still, and I wear them when I want to be comfortable. So yes, I still love sneakers, but I think I would consider myself one of those girls that can do both.
Of course.
Yeah.
And of course, y'all, casual sneakers are the best in the industry. In the fashion industry, that is. You can dress them up, you can dress them down.
That's
it's all
right.
about being yourself. If you can't be yourself, well, nobody can accept you. For real, for real.
That's right, but if you can't be yourself, who else can you be?
Exactly.
That's right.
Exactly. Do you have any plans for this upcoming year?
I have so many plans for this upcoming year. The ones that I can let you in on right now are, I'm actually going to Fashion Week next month, so I'm very excited about that.
Cool.
I have 3 shows booked so far, still waiting on 2 shows, so fingers crossed, let's hear about those.
Nice.
Yeah, my birthday's coming up in March, so we'll see how that goes.
Sweet.
I'm trying to go to Jamaica, so we're going to see
Ooh.
if I can do that. COVID, don't stop me. But yeah. How are you? I know you're the interviewer, but what are your plans for 2022? I'm curious to know.
Well, I'm glad you asked. Of course, yours truly will be in more fashion shows. And of course, my birthday's coming up. I'll be 34 this year.
Wow, yeah.
Yes, I'm...
Level 34. We don't change ages. We just hit different levels.
Exactly. Exactly.
Perfect.
And of course, yours truly has been going through a lot of birthday revenge because nobody didn't show up on my birthday. It was kind of sad, but...
That's not what's going to happen this year. We're going to show up and show out this year.
Exactly.
We're going to have fun.
Exactly. So keep a lookout for that.
Yeah. I'm excited about it. Make sure you let me know. Let me know ahead of time. My schedule's busy, so let me know ahead of time so I can plan everything.
No doubt.
Last year. Okay.
Thank you so much for coming on
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me on Sneaker Jams, guys.
Absolutely. Where can we find you on social media?
You can definitely find me at SlayMasterBree on Instagram, SlayMasterBree on IG, I like to say. And you can find me at SlayMasterBree1 on TikTok. I try to do my little...
There, you see?
Yeah.
You can also check out yours truly on Facebook under Benjamin Scott, Instagram at Benjamin.Scott. You can also check out yours truly on YouTube.com under Benjamin Scott Sneaker Jams. That's Jamz, not S-Z.
Okay.
And you can also follow me on TikTok.
Yes.
Now, if you want to know which casual sneakers will I show y'all on Sneaker Jam, or better yet, which special guests, like my bestie here, who will come on Sneaker Jams, what do you think?
Who I think the next guest should be? I think it should be a sports player of some sort who wears sneakers.
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah, I know some basketball players and some people who could probably tell you about sneakers that like sneakers or models of sneakers.
Oh, please bring them on the show. I would love
Yeah.
that.
I know people like sneakers.
That's for us to know and you to find out. So stay tuned
All
to
right.
the next episode.
Yes,
Thank you for coming on the show.
of course.
I love you.
I love you too, bestie.
And thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott with Brianne Pearson. We'll see you guys next time.
See you.
So God bless y'all.
Right.
Peace.
Yeah.
And always remember, lace them up and kick it with Sneaker Jams.
Lace them up and kick it. Yes.